What's up, everybody? It's your boy Foodz here. In today's video, I want to talk about what the heck is causing all this flakiness on this car's paint. Yes, it's pretty common here in California, and it's a simple answer. It's your car wash. More specifically, going to gas station car washes. Why are gas station car washes a problem? The way it works is the nuances of business is that in order to keep everything running smoothly and efficient, we want to make sure that we get least amount of problems, and more specifically, least amount of complaints in car washes. So what happens here is that local car washes, when I mean local car washes, I mean those automatic car washes where you put your debit card in, they give you a ticket, you pull up, and they do the whole LED light show, major laser nightclub scene, and you get your car sudsy and whatnot. But what happens is that they put small amounts of corrosive and acids into the car wash soap so that it can corrode away the paint, leaving a fresh new layer of paint looking your car shiny, which, pardon me, may look nice, but at the end of it all, over time, the car washes will do this to your paint. I would highly suggest, instead of doing this, have yourself a nice, good garden hose and just rinse off your car. That's even better. However, you got to think though, well, that's not the end all be all. There are some chemicals inside tap water, common household tap water, like chlorine, arsenic, vernic, all those other nasty chemicals that, one, at small amounts keep your body healthy, but two, at a long period of time will start to corrode away at your paint as well. So what you want to do is hire someone like myself, who's a professional, or better, do it yourself at home with some nice, good pH neutral soap. pH neutral soap, what it does is provide a car wash or a clean effect without doing the corrosive chemicals. So no acids, no two basics and whatnot. On top of that, for someone like myself, we have a spotless water system that, one, filters out the water coming from your home, and also two, provides a very similar pH neutral, well-balanced, non-acidic water so that we can clean off your car without damaging it. My job as a detailer is to make sure that your car comes out looking new, and also, I take that back. My job as a detailer is that your car should come out looking better than it was before I got there. And the only way I can do that is by using the proper equipment that does not damage your car's paint. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.